In this question, we have to find correct IUPAC name of the compound. So we have to start numbering from that end from which multiple bond is present nearer. So from this side, multiple bond is situated at fourth position, and now total 10 carbon atoms are present at position 5 and 6. Ethyl group is present, while at position 3 methyl group is present. So name of molecule is 5,6 diethyl 3 methyl 4 decaene, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find which of the following given is correct priority order of functional group. So if we take option 1, this is not correct because COOH is having higher priority than SO3H. SO3H is having higher priority than NS2, but here amide is having higher priority than NS2, so this is not correct option. While in case of B, first aldehyde, then ketone, then alcohol, then amine. This is given according to correct priority order, so answer B is correct. While if we take option C, then here ketone is given higher priority, but actually aldehyde is having higher priority than ketone, so this is wrong answer. In option D, ester is having higher priority than acid chloride. This is correct, but acid anhydride is even having higher priority than ester, so this is not correct. So correct answer of the question is B. In this question we have to find the name of given hydrocarbon. So if we draw the structure of molecule, now CH3 group is attached at this carbon, and now this is C2H5, so we have to open it. Now this is C2H5. Now first we have to select longest chain, so we have to start naming from left side with longest chain of 7 carbon. Now at second position methyl group is attached, and at 5 position another methyl group is attached, so name of the molecule is 2,5 dimethyl. Total 7 carbon atoms are present, hence heptane, so name correct answer is C, 2,5 dimethyl heptane. In this question we have to find correct structure of 6-ethyl 2,3,5 trimethyl nonane. So main chain is having 9 carbon, so first we have to draw 9 carbon in a straight chain, so 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9. Now second position, third position and fifth position is having methyl group, and sixth position is having ethyl group, so this is the structure of molecule. Now we have to done numbering from left hand side according to lowest set of locant rule, but due to alphabetical reason we have to write ethyl first, so 6 ethyl 2 3 5 trimethyl, total 9 carbon atoms are present, hence nonane. Now this structure resembles to structure A, and hence correct answer is A. A student name a certain compound as 2,3-dimethyl butane, its correct IUPAC name is. So if we draw structure according to given name, now this name is incorrect because this molecule is having only 4 carbon in main chain, but actually this is not longest chain. This is having only 4 carbon, but we can draw another main chain which is having total 6 carbon in main chain, so this is longest chain. Now this is main chain, and 3 and 4th carbon are having methyl group, so name of this molecule must be 3,4 dimethyl hexane, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find correct IUPAC name of given compound. In this question we have to start numbering from right side according to lowest set of locant rule. Now locants are present at 3 4 and 4 position. But if we start numbering from left hand direction, then position of locants is 4, 4 and 5. Now according to lowest set of locant rule, numbering should be done from right hand side. So at third position ethyl group is present, so 3 ethyl, 4 4 dimethyl, total 7 carbon atoms are present in main chain, hence heptane. So correct answer is B, 3 ethyl 4 4 dimethyl heptane. In this question we have to find correct IUPAC name of given compound. In this question first we have to select principal chain. So principal chain is the chain which is having maximum number of carbon atom. Now numbering should be done from right side according to lowest set of locant rule. So main chain is having 8 carbon. Now methyl group is attached at second position, and this is isopropyl group which is attached at fourth position. So from methyl and isopropyl, according to alphabetical order, isopropyl should be written first. Now methyl and isopropyl, so according to alphabetical order, isopropyl should be written first. So name of compound 5 isopropyl, 5 isopropyl, 2 methyl, total 8 carbon in main chain, hence octane, and hence correct answer is C, 5 isopropyl, 2 methyl, octane. In this question we have to find correct IUPAC name of the given compound. So first of all we have to select longest chain having maximum number of carbon atom. So if we select this chain, now this is longest chain having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 carbon. Now numbering should be done from that end which follow lowest set of locant. So if we start numbering from this end, now ethyl substituent is present at third carbon, next substituent is present at fourth and 5. So set of locant we are getting 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now at third position ethyl group is present, at fifth position methyl group is present, at fourth position this complex radical is given. So now we have to write name of complex radical. One thing we have to keep in mind that during naming of complex radical, first carbon is given to that carbon which is having free valency or from which it is directly attached through main chain. So this is given to first carbon, second and third carbon. So name of the side chain is 1 methyl propyl. Now we have three side chain, 1 methyl propyl, methyl and ethyl. Now these substituents are written in alphabetical order. So first we have to write methyl, first we have to write ethyl, then methyl and then methyl propyl. So correct name of the compound is 3 ethyl, 5 methyl, at fourth position 1 methyl propyl, and total 8 carbon atoms are present, hence octane. In this question we have to find correct IUPAC name of given compound. So first we have to draw structure of molecule. Now in this question numbering has to done from left hand side due to lowest set of locant, because multiple bond is nearer from left hand side. So at third carbon methyl group is present, so name of the molecule is 3 methyl but 1 ene, and hence correct option is B. In this question we have to find correct IUPAC name of given compound. So first of all we have to select longest chain or principal chain. Principal chain here is the chain with maximum number of carbon atom. So now this is longest chain having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 carbon. If we select this chain, then 5, 6, 7, 8 carbon are present. So we have to select longest chain. Now this is side chain, which is complex because side chain is substituted. During naming of side chain, we have to give in first number to that carbon from which it is directly attached to main chain. So this is side chain. Now the side chain is complex and name of side chain is 1,2-dimethyl propyl, 1,2-dimethyl propyl, and which is attached at carbon number 5. So 5,1,2-dimethyl propyl. Total 9 carbon atoms are present, hence nonane. Correct answer is C. In this question, we have to find correct IUPAC name of the given compound. So in this compound, we have to start numbering from that end from which multiple bond is nearer. So from right hand side, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now at 3 position, methyl groups are present. So name of the molecule is 3,3-dimethyl bute 1-ene, and hence option C is correct. The IUPAC name of given compound. So first we have to select right chain. So we have to select chain having multiple bond with maximum number of carbon. So this is right selection having 8 carbon, and fourth position is having multiple bond. Now at fourth and 5 position, methyl substituent is present. So name of the compound is 4,5-dimethyl oct 4-ene, and hence correct answer is A. In this question, we have to find in which of the following correct numbering is done. So in first case, multiple bond, triple bond and double bond both are present in same position. If numbering is done from right, then position of multiple bond is 1 and 4. If numbering is done from left, then again position of multiple bond is 1 and 4. So according to lowest set of locant, we cannot decide from which end we should start numbering. But if lowest set of locant is not followed, then from ene and ine, ene is given higher priority over ine according to alphabetical order. So this is not correct. Numbering should be done from ene end. In second case, multiple bond is present at second position. If numbering is done from left side, if numbering is done from right side from triple bond end, now multiple bond is present at first position. So this is incorrect numbering. In this case, numbering should start from triple bond. So this is not correct. In option C, if numbering is done from right end, then position of multiple bond is 1, 4 and 6. If numbering is done from left side, then position of multiple bond is 1, 3 and 6. Now 1, 3, 6 is lower set compared to 1, 4, 6. So numbering should start from left end. So this is also not correct. While in option D, numbering is start from left end, and according to lowest set of locant, multiple bond are present at 1, 3 and 6 from left side. So this is correct numbering, and hence correct answer is D. In this question, we have to identify correct structure of 2-ethyl 3-methyl hexa 1,4-diene. So molecule must have 6 carbon in main chain, and 1 and at fourth position multiple bond is present. At second position ethyl group is present, and third position methyl is present. So correct structure of 2-ethyl 3-methyl hexa 1,4 diene is C, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to identify correct IUPAC name for the given compound. Now according to lowest set of locant rule, numbering can be done from either upside. Set of locants are 2, 4 and 6 if numbering is done from left side, and if numbering is done from right side, then set of locant is again 2, 4 and 6, but from ene and ine, ene is given higher priority according to alphabetical order, so numbering should start from left hand side, and hence name of the compound is 2,4-octadiene 6-ine, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to write correct IUPAC name of the given compound. So first we have to select principal chain. Now principal chain must have multiple bond with maximum number of carbon. So this is principal chain. Now numbering should start from that end from which multiple bond is nearer. So numbering should start from left side. Now at 3 and 6 position methyl is present while ethyl is present at 5th carbon. So name of compound is 5-ethyl 3,6 dimethyl. Total 9 carbon atoms are present, so known. Multiple bond is present in 3rd position, so known 3-ene, and hence correct answer is A.